The Russian aerospace forces have introduced new drone hunter units, deploying Mi-28 attack helicopters in several regions. These units are specially trained to intercept UAVs and operate day and night regardless of weather conditions. The tactics involve the coordinated efforts of pairs of Ka-27 and Ka-29 helicopters, where the former conducts reconnaissance and the latter destroys detected objects. The Indian Armed Forces conducted their first military exercise with the newly acquired S400 air defense missile system. The S400 system achieved a remarkable success rate, effectively shooting down 80% of the simulated enemy fighter aircraft and compelling the remaining aircraft to retreat and abort their missions. A Su-34 fighter bomber crashed in the Volgograd region of Russia. The loss of the aircraft was officially confirmed by the Russian Ministry of Defense. The preliminary cause of the Su-34 fighter bomber's crash is a technical malfunction and the crew of 2 people had ejected safely. Slovakian President Pellegrini inspected the first Slovak Bov 8x8 infantry fighting vehicle based on Finnish Patria AMV-XP. Equipped with domestic Tura-30 turret and GTS-30N autocannon, this vehicle represents a significant step forward in enhancing Slovakia's military readiness and defense infrastructure.